Hi friends, Christine with Essentially Styled. Today I just wanted to pop on here and show you some of our fall clips that are on trend, and I wanted to tell you about our October special. If you're watching this in 2024, it's the October special, and that is featuring our square Upins, and they come in 3 designs. You've got kind of the aqua, I just kind of love it, mixed with the browns, all shades of fall. You have your standard black and then the tortoise shell. These were a huge hit at my show last weekend. They really work for all kinds of buns, twists, and even ponytails. So I just have been doing some reels on those, so you can check those out on the channel below. Just go under my shorts and you'll see those, or if you're watching on Facebook, it would be the reels. So those are awesome, versatile, comfortable, waterproof, and our customer special this month, you can get free with a $60 purchase. So that's the special, but I wanted to show you some of my favorite fall designs. Some are newer and some have been around a while and they're just perfect for fall. I'm going to start with one of my favorite mixed metals. This is called Steampunk. We've had this one for years, but it was a huge hit at the show. And it usually does sell really well in the fall, but really it's an all year round clip. So it's got the mixed metals, it's gold, silver, copper, the black nickel, gunmetal. It's got all of the finishes. So it goes with all kinds of jewelry and accessories. Your earrings, your necklace, you don't need to worry about trying to coordinate because it works really well. And that's called Steampunk, if I didn't mention, but it's one of our mixed metals. We have a few of those. So that's one of my just standard favorites. This, of course, is Senica, and this is the clip that I got to name through the company. I was on an advisory board and they let us name one of the clips, and it's just kind of reminiscent of the mountains, Seneca Mountain and the Seneca Trail in West Virginia that I love. So it was really popular as well this weekend. It's always a hit. Another favorite fall that's been around is maple. And this has the dangle beads. There's a maple leaf, an acorn, and a little pine cone there. There are, at times, you can catch the orange pumpkin that you can change out one of the acorn for the orange pumpkin. That kind of adds another pop of color to it. But it's got the big chunky beads. If you're buying this one and you're traditionally wear a small, it still comes in the 7 sizes, but I would purchase a size up because they tend to run small. So I normally wear a small in most things. I wear a medium in this because of the chunky beads. It just fits a little tighter and smaller. So just be aware of that. That's the maple. Then we have this one, which is a newer one, and I'm going to show this one in a halfback. I just think it is so pretty. It's available now, and it's got this, I'm not even sure exactly what flower that is, but it's just really pretty. Gold seems to be very popular again. I know for a while you didn't see much gold. I'm just going to flip it over and catch that pin. But you can see it just stands out really well. I love that pop of gold. So gold does seem to be selling really well. So I think it's on the comeback. Speaking of which, we also have this cute little gnome with the sunflower and the wooden beads. Really cute. Again, 7 sizes. He's just adorable. We do have a Christmas one coming out, so be sure and look for that. He is adorable as well. Then these are sold out at the moment. I'm really hoping they come back, so feel free to email the company and let them know you want them to come back. I just think these are so beautiful. These are the Upins, and unfortunately I only got one set and I'm keeping them because I just love them. It's a great burnished copper color, but that kind of filigree leaf, just the designs in it. I think each leaf is just a little bit different and unique, so I really like those. They are currently sold out, so be looking for those. Hopefully those will come back. If you really want a pair, I may be able to help you out and meet up with another stylist to try and snag a pair of those. Last 2, and then I'll do a couple demonstrations. This is that same design, but in the Flexi. These are still available in the 7 sizes. And it's got that rhinestone center, and then just that open, I just think it's so pretty. I don't know if you can really appreciate how the sunlight's not letting it catch the light like it does in person, but super pretty. I like that one. And along the same lines, we have this one with the flower. So same burnished bronzy look, but that's that kind of dimensional flower. So I am going to demonstrate 3 of my go-to styles in the Flexi. This is a medium. I can wear between a small and a medium both. If I want a tighter fit, I go with a small, and if I want a looser fit, I can go with the medium. Since my hair is curly today, I'm going to go with the medium. And I'm going to be using this Flexi. Again, that is available on the website. And I just put that pin under, it flexes over, stick the pin through. Now it's going to hold very well. The beauty of these is that it doesn't pull on your scalp, so you're not going to get that headache at the end of the day. And it doesn't break your hair like elastics. It's just going to hold very securely. And it's all about the tension on the hair. So if you need help finding your size, please reach out to me and let me know, and I will help you. If you're looking around and you decide you're between 2 sizes, go with the smaller size if you're not sure, because they hold more hair than you think they do. And there's still a lot you can do with a clip that's a little run small, but if it's too big, you're really going to be limited in what you can do. So with that same clip, I can put just a little bit back and snag just a little bit less hair, but that's still going to hold really well for me with that style. Now, if I want to put it all up, I am going to, I'll do a bun this time. I usually do a French twist, but I'm just going to show you an easy lazy wrap bun. You start with the OK sign, wrap your hair around, kick out your thumb, and come under that, and then, lost the clip. I'm going to follow that pin down through the 1 finger all the way to my scalp, go across my scalp till I meet that thumb, and then I'm going to come back up where that thumb is and just secure it that way. So I have, and that can be loosened if you need to, but that's going to be a secure all day hold. So there are so many fall clips available right now, and we're coming out November 1st. We will be having our new holiday releases, which they are so cute. You'll have to come back. I just placed an order today to get a few of those so I can demo those for you here. So be sure and subscribe and follow and hit the red bell if you want to be notified when I put up that video. In the meantime, look for more shorts and reels. You can follow me Instagram, Facebook, and of course here, but feel free to reach out to me if you need help with sizing. If you decide to place an order, please register before you load your cart if you don't already have a stylist. It just helps me out and supports my business. So I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy the beautiful fall weather. Bye-bye. See you later.